Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the page isn't available right now on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you're having the issue that your page isn't available right now, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection. It might be a Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times, or you can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. And once you have that, you have to retry or try to refresh your page. Or if you're still having the issue, you have to open your settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to try to disconnect with your VPN if you have any connected VPN. And after that, you just have to go for your app store, and here you have to search for Instagram here. Once you have searched, you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here for your Instagram app, or if you have any update, try to update your app. Once you have updated, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to open your settings again, and here go for general, then go for iPhone storage, go for Instagram, and try to offload your app. You just have to select the offload option here, then tap on offload app. Once you have offloaded the app, you have to tap on reinstall app option, and the app will be completely reinstalled on your phone, because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug into your Instagram apps. It will fix in this step, and once you have reinstalled your Instagram app, you can easily use your Instagram without an issue of this type. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue that your page isn't available right now on your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.